I've always been searching for a guidance star in the night, through smoke of fire winds and the winter's cold. And now I feel so bad, emptiness in my heart. I just want some peace and calm before the shadow comes.